Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to hide your likes on Twitter. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to your profile, and you can do that by clicking on the top left of your screen, then click on profile. And what we want to do now is go ahead and click on likes, and these are my likes. So your likes are basically can be seen in public. So what you want to do is go to settings, then you want to go ahead to privacy and safety. Go ahead to settings and go ahead to privacy and safety, and after that you want to scroll up to the top of your screen and select audience and tagging. So you select audience and tagging, and you'll see the switch to protect your tweets. So all you have to do is switch on protect your tweets, and your likes will be hidden on Twitter. And it's that simple, guys. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.